Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. You see, my friends, just being yourself is your power. Now, reflect on how many of us have been conditioned to fear embracing our true selves. From our innocent days as children, all we craved was happiness, fun, and freedom by simply being who we are. Yet as we grew, the world taught us to judge, to be unkind to those who dared to be authentic, kind, and true to their high vibrations. You see, my friends, society nudges us away from focusing on our inner selves, pushing us to conform to external expectations. We find ourselves molding into what others desires us to be and losing sight of our genuine essence. But here's the secret power, my friends. That secret power lies in embracing your true authentic self. When you shed the facade and embrace your uniqueness, you radiate a confidence that is truly captivating. Being genuine is not only likable, being genuine is real, it's authentic, it's raw. Authenticity recognizes authenticity. And as we say in Jamaica, real recognizes real. It's time to reclaim your power, to step boldly into the light of your true self. Embrace the beauty of your authenticity, for it is the beacon of light that shines bright amidst a world that often seeks conformity. So stand tall in your uniqueness, for it is in your true essence that you find your strength and your truest form of expression. So let go of the mask that society has placed upon your face. Let go of the mask and dance freely in the light of your own authenticity. Embrace your quirks, embrace your flaws, embrace your uniqueness, for they are the colors that paint the canvas of your soul. So be unapologetically you, for in your authenticity lies your greatest power, the power to inspire, to connect, and to shine brightly in a world that craves genuine souls. So in closing, my friends, remember that your true power lies in being unapologetically yourself. Embrace your authenticity, honor your uniqueness, and step confidently into the radiant light of your true essence. In a world that often seeks conformity, my friends, dare to be boldly, beautifully, and authentically you. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.